Hello guys, welcome back to Uxbridge Learning English with Milon sir. Today I am going to talk about some of the important terms that you can see rhyming words, and they are called rhyming reduplication. Rhyming reduplication অর্থাৎ ছন্দময় পুনরাবৃত্তি. So let's begin with the first one. Here you can see first one, shilly shally. Shilly shally means fail to act decisively. Fail to act decisively অর্থাৎ দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত হওয়া. And if we make sentence by using this, we can write, if we keep shilly-shallying, we will be late. If we keep shilly-shallying, we will be late. Next one, very beautiful one. Here you can see dilly-dally. Dilly-dally means to waste time aimlessly. To waste time aimlessly অর্থাৎ হেলায় ফেলায় সময় নষ্ট করা. For example, we can write never dilly-dally in your everyday life. Never dilly-dally in your everyday life. Next one, very beautiful one. Here you can see roly-poly. Roly-poly signifies having a round and plump appearance. Having a round and plump appearance অর্থাৎ বেটে ও হুষ্টপুষ্ট. বেটে ও হুষ্টপুষ্ট. For example, we can write, she is a roly-poly little baby. She is a roly-poly little baby. Next one, you can see before me, hoity-toity. Hoity-toity. Hoity-toity means sonobish or haughty. Sonobish or haughty. অর্থাৎ দেমাগি. অর্থাৎ দেমাগি. For example, we can write, you shouldn't be hoity-toity in your life. You shouldn't be hoity-toity in your life. Next one, here you can see very beautiful one. This term pronounced as azibazi. Azibazi. Azibazi means noisy quarreling. Noisy quarreling. অর্থাৎ কোলাহলপূর্ণ ঝগড়া. কোলাহলপূর্ণ ঝগড়া. For example, we can write, there has been no azibazi between John and Jenny. There has been no azibazi between John and Jenny. Next one, very good one. Here you can see hubble bubble. Hubble bubble. This beautiful term means a state of noisy activity. A state of noisy activity. অর্থাৎ শোরগোল. শোরগোল. And if we make sentence, we can write, they are in the habit of making hubble bubble. They are in the habit of making hubble bubble. Next one, hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. This means meaningless talk or activity. Meaningless talk or activity. অর্থাৎ অপ্রয়োজনীয় কথা বা কাজ. অপ্রয়োজনীয় কথা বা কাজ. For example, we can write, there is nothing. This is nothing but hocus pocus. This is nothing but hocus pocus. Next one, hockey pokey. Hockey pokey means a party dance with song. A party dance with song. অর্থাৎ ভোজবাজি. And the sentence here we can make, you can see, dance the hockey pokey and enjoy yourself. Dance the hockey pokey and enjoy yourself. Next one, fuzzy-wuzzy. Fuzzy-wuzzy. Fuzzy-wuzzy signifies a disorderly person. A disorderly person. অর্থাৎ অগোছালো ব্যক্তি. For example, we can write, he always acts like a fuzzy-wuzzy. He always acts like a fuzzy-wuzzy. Next one, that is the last one for today. Here you can see fuddy-duddy. Fuddy-duddy. Fuddy-duddy means an old-fashioned person. A old-fashioned person. অর্থাৎ সেকেলে ব্যক্তি. অর্থাৎ সেকেলে ব্যক্তি. For example, we can write, I don't like to act like an old fuddy-duddy. I don't like to act like an old fuddy-duddy. So please subscribe and stay connected. Thank you all.